Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Samsung Galaxy S23. And to do this you'll need to open the Google Play Store, look for an app called Notify Buddy, select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it and move on to the next step. From here, grant 3 permissions for the app. And last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Right here, we can start using the app and there's 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User, you can select any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can find all system-bound apps. In Active, there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings, you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape, or a placement on the screen. Let's click on the test button to see the actual LED lamp, which is right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.